Hello everyone, today I will introduce the equipment debugging and software usage of the media processor. Firstly, let's go through the interface of the device. The front panel of the device has three lights from left to right. They are the power light, system normal operation light, and system alarm light. The rear panel interfaces are as follows. One is the console interface, used for the CLX control panel interface. Next is the mini XLR connector interface for ACM19, ACM14 omnidirectional microphone audio input. Next is Phoenix interface, which refers to audio input and audio output interfaces, and RSR control interface. Next is the USB interface, used for connecting an external USB drive. Next is HDMI input interface. HDMI is for computer screen input. HDMI is for electronic whiteboard screen input. Next is the UVC interface, for UVC video output signal to third-party devices. Next is DMI output interface, HD out R output movie mode screen, HD out E output computer screen translation. Next is the LAN network interface, used for recording host network business communication. Next is the PoE network interfaces, used for connecting PoE network cameras. Next is the reset button. The reset button. Here's a reminder, if you forget the recording password or IP information, after the recording works normally, press the reset button for 10 seconds to reset the recording account password to admin and IP to 192.168.4.188. Next, let's talk about equipment debugging. After installing the camera, we use the Alpha Tool software to set the camera's IP to the same segment as the host IP. Then log into the host IP via the web page. In the video settings, input settings, fill in the IP of the teacher and student cameras. Click to set and save. In the tracking settings, select the type of tracking camera. Fill in the teacher's IP, check the box, and then click to set and save. Then use the K2 tool to enter the teacher's machine. Draw the tracking area for the teacher, set and save, and then click to get the detection area to see if it takes effect. Finally, fill in the student machine's IP in the student IP box. Click to save and complete the association with the student machine. Now let's move on to the software usage. Log into the host's IP via the web page. Click on the download center in the upper right corner. Download the first software, install it, open it, enter the corresponding IP and account password, and click to log into the recording assistant software. In the middle is the real-time output screen, with record, stop, pan tilt control, listen to the volume control of the sound, subtitle display selection button, and real-time input sound volume bar. On the right are automatic or manual teacher and student picture buttons. You can click different buttons to switch different screens, and there is a special effect switch in the lower right corner. According to the actual needs, choose different switching effects, which is not available in the R5 Assistant software. Below is the picture layout selection. You can choose single screen, double screen, multi-screen, and custom layout. In the lower left corner is the recording information input and settings. Click on Settings, Recording. You can see the recording parameter settings, including high definition, standard definition, resolution, bit rate, frame rate, etc. The station logo is to set whether to display the station logo, the position coordinates of the station logo, and the selection of the station logo picture. Subtitles are to choose whether to display subtitles, whether to display server time, add, modify, select subtitles, subtitle display coordinate settings, color settings, transparency settings. The first picture is in the automatic director mode, supports PPT, teacher's full picture, student's full picture as the first picture display 198 seconds, or choose not to support and turn off the function. The title and ending is to set whether to display the title and ending pictures and the display time of the title picture. Note the title and ending pictures of local playback files will not be displayed. They need to be uploaded to the media content platform to take effect. The audio and video input settings function is to set the IPC camera protocol, supporting reach, UNVF, RTS, peak VHD protocols. Audio input 5 options: Line in E Phoenix interface, mic in, Line in Phoenix interface, mic ja line E mix, mic ja line mix. Note that HDMI in audio input is not supported. The output settings function is to set the HDMI out output resolution, supporting 1920x1080 at 60. Audio output is controlled by a switch. When the audio loop switch is turned on, it outputs local sound, and when turned off, it does not output local sound. The streaming settings function is to turn on or off RTSP, RTMP, and HTTP live streaming addresses. Note that currently, only one set of live streaming can be turned on. The camera is the camera search function that can quickly search for all cameras in the same network segment. Select the relevant camera IP to connect, and then change the camera IP, subnet mask, and gateway. The last one is the system, which is to set the corresponding network, connect to the central control, connect to the upload platform, and device upgrade, restart, and debug usage. In addition, in the file management area, you can see the recorded files, which is convenient for users to manage. The buttons in the upper left corner are to refresh the file list, download configuration, configure download directory and high definition, standard definition download options, repair file list. Here is the note course information. If there is a setting recording information, it will correspond to the teacher's name, course name. On the right is the recording file search function. Here is the file upload to Ebola platform status, single course upload function, single course download function, play this course, delete this course. At the bottom is the recording host disk space display, automatic deletion function. When the disk space is less than a certain number of G, automatically delete the oldest course. File page turning button. In addition, there is a simple version of the assistant software to introduce. After installing the software, we can see the software has start recording, pause recording, stop recording, system settings, interactive classroom, recording mode. The interactive classroom is not currently enabled, so there is no need to operate. Our main operation is to fill in the corresponding recording device IP, account password, classroom name, subject name, class name in the system settings, and then click to save and complete the binding of the recording device. Finally, the teacher can choose automatic or manual mode, single screen, multi-screen, or custom screen to start recording according to the needs. The above is the equipment debugging and software usage of media processor. Thank you for watching.